6 minus 7 is just negative 1. Here in the parentheses also 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Then negative 1 times negative 1 is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction, one multiplication here. Inside the parentheses there is one subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis and next this multiplication and finally this subtraction. If we subtract first this one before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis 6 minus 7, which gives us negative 1. Okay, 6 minus 7 times negative 1. Okay, here there is subtraction and multiplication. According to Pemdas, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. Then we multiply first these numbers. Therefore, 7 times negative 1, which gives us negative 7. Okay, then 6 minus then negative 7. That means negative times negative, which is positive. Therefore, 6 plus 7. Then 6 plus 7, which equals to 13. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer is 13.